I think we're always trying to be more, make the experience for the customer easier and easier. We want to have very intuitive with our app. We're trying to bring technology into the discussion all the time. The younger consumer has grown up with tech, making sure that's an integrated part of what we do, and making sure that experience is easy. I think that great tech companies like Apple, they try to be more and more and more intuitive. We try and take that approach to our products as well. I think that the areas that we've addressed, obviously, besides connectivity, is also around temperature control and retention, efficiency in pellet, ease of cleanup. We have some units now you can access your burn pot from exterior. And then the one part of that is really critical is maintaining that indirect and direct flame technology, where some of our competitors haven't addressed that. It just adds the versatility and the consumer experience. So I think you're going to see us push more on the tech side. You'll see us, we just launched our first battery powered portable pellet grill at Lowe's recently. That has gotten a ton of attention. Very excited about that product line. So additional tech around that, really trying to snip the cord. So it makes it a lot easier for people to take that pellet grill anywhere now. Some of them are big and heavy, but you want it in different positions. So, exploring that tech side more and more, but making sure ultimately that it performs each and every time. We want to have a quality product that's built to last. And we don't want to give up on that. Key pillar for us is having that, when we talk at bigger, heavier, hotter, we build them heavier deliberately than our competitors. We have a higher cooking temperature than a lot of our competitors. And that's really important, because generally that customer experience has to be superior with a Pit Boss product. They're often scratching their head is, how do I buy this for less money than some of the competitors when, it doesn't make sense to me? Well, for us, our marketing budget is our consumer. We put that back into the consumer in order to make sure the consumer is the person marketing to their neighbors, because they've had a superior experience with our product, as opposed to building a brand that it just needs to be an aspirational brand. We just rather authentically produce a superior product than our competitors in order to get that support and that advertising.